the simplest and easiest to-do list you will ever find. So let's get started. So basically guys, you will need materials like pen or pencil, piece of paper or notebook. So at the top of the page, write to do or tasks to clearly indicate what the list is for. Then write down tasks as they come to mind, each one on a new line. Use concise language to describe each task. Don't worry about prioritizing or categorizing tasks initially, just focus on getting everything down. Include all tasks, big or small, that need to be completed. This ensures nothing gets overlooked. Avoid adding unnecessary details like deadlines or subtasks unless absolutely necessary. The goal is simplicity. Once a task is completed, mark it with a check mark or cross it out with a line. This helps track progress. After that, regularly view your list to see what tasks are left. Add new tasks as they arise and mark off completed ones. Also, some tips for using the list effectively is keep your list in a place where you can easily access it throughout the day. Also, consider reviewing and updating your list at the beginning or the end of each day to plan ahead or reflect on what's been accomplished. If you prefer digital tools, you can replicate some notes or notepad in a simple note-taking app or task management tool. So that's it. This simple approach ensures that you have a clear overview of what needs to be done without the complexities of more detailed task management systems. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.